All right, what I have here is another 2004, similar to the one I had last week. Liberty, Jeep Liberty with a 3.7, I believe. Misfires, new injectors. Apparently at some point it had new coils and spark plugs. All right, I have no... This is one of those older models that the technology in this computer is just not all there. It is an older model, 2004, therefore I'm not able to see any misfire data. I've tried looking it up in different... I grabbed another scan tool, I tried, no misfire data. So, I guess I could have done a relative compression test first, but I got my head wrapped around something else. Anyhow, so I'm going to do this real quick because I am kind of in a hurry, but I just wanted to show something off real quick. So I started with... Actually, I started with number 1, I think it is. Cylinder number 1. So what you're looking at here is voltage. All right, then it drops down by the ECM, the engine computer, grounding the coil, saturating, creating a magnetic field inside the coil, sending a kV spike, which I already looked it up. It was like 160 something kilovolts. Anyhow, when it comes back out, this little area right here you're looking at is basically that little gap inside the spark plug, or at the spark plug end. So basically this is the spark that's happening inside your cylinder. Okay? And of course just a little turbulence as it goes along. So this is technically what I want to see. It's a little distorted, but it's working. It's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for control from the computer, kV spike, and a burn line. So now coming over to this one over here. All right, let me get my light a little better, closer, should I say? Well, that didn't help. And here you go. We have no burn line. We got a control, which is called a roll time. Got a kV spike, no burn line. Got a back spark plug. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that coil and inspect that spark plug. All right, there you have it. There's your spark plug that I just removed from cylinder number 3. So I'll get it to focus. If you can see, there is no gap. It is shut completely. So what does that tell me? The customer did state that they had done the spark plugs, etc. I guess whoever did the spark plug, they either dropped it and it closed down the gap there, or maybe they just dropped it in the hole being pretty careless and shut down the little element there. So I'm going to re-gap that, clean it up. I do see a little bit of oil, excessive oil there. That's not a good thing. I'll bring that up to the customer. So anyhow, I'm going to clean it up, re-gap it, and put it back on and see if we can get rid of our misfire. All right, so here it is. I got the gap right according to specifications, cleaned it up. According to the software, for a 3.7 engine, 4.3 thousandths of an inch. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it. According to the customer, said that these were replaced. I don't know. According my judgment, don't look new. Anyhow, I'm gonna just go ahead and put y'all on the stand if y'all want to ride with me on it. Check it out. Now, normally when I put my spark plugs in there, I don't just drop it. Just lower it down. Right. Oops, sorry about that. On the spark plug extension here. Get that started. Don't try this at home, kids. That's it. getting our coil in there. I'll screw back on. Plug back in. And let's get our scope hook back up. Right there. See what that looks like. I can already tell it's a lot smoother. Bad spark plug. There you go. Look at that. That's what I wanted to see. So, like I said earlier in the video, we had control by the computer sending a command to the coil. Our KV spike was there, but we had no spark line, or aka burn line. Again, this little area right here is our spark plug. Oh, that's a lot smoother already. I like it. Here's another one of those customers bringing it to me on empty. Honestly, don't like it. I'm going to recommend a tune-up. But I don't know who did the previous tune-up according to the customer. I won't go back to them. Anyhow, I'm done here. That just turned out to need replace 2 injectors over there that were on the side. They were absolutely needed to be replaced. But when I got done with the injectors, we still had a misfire. You can't see up there underneath the coolant reservoir. But there you go. I don't know, whoever installed these spark plugs. On to the next one.